Welcome back. The High Court has asked Goa government whether it has any time-bound plan to appoint Lokayukta, State Information Commission and Chief Information Commission. High Court is hearing a petition contending that many applications are pending due to these vacant posts. Goa government said process has been initiated for the appointment of SIC and CIC but unable to find eligible candidate for Lokayukta. The petitioner contended that the government should specify time it would require to fill these posts. Advocate General has sought time to take instructions from the government and file a reply. Hearing has been adjourned for 2 weeks. Indian Coast Guard has alerted Goa as more than 100 drums containing hydrocarbon products are seen floating off Maharashtra coast. ICG fears that these drums may land along Goa, Karnataka and Kerala coast. Drums contain hydrocarbon products which may be harmful to humans. State Pollution Control Board has alerted the state government agencies under oil spill management plan considering the possibility of these drums hitting the state's coast.
Received intimation from the Coast Guard saying that they have located around 200 litre capacity filled drums that have been floating off the Maharashtra coast. They have also they've been able to contain 90 of those drums, and they believe that there are more drums that are floating towards Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. As per the disaster contingency plan of the oil spills that the Goa State Pollution Control Board has prepared, there are various stakeholders in this, right from the Fisheries Department, Captain of Ports, Fire and Emergency Services, the collectors concerned, who we have intimated that in case they find these drums, they are filled with hydrocarbon, and we have to locate them, and if we can be brought on shore, we can do it. We have also informed the Coast Guard to give us further information in case they have any of these drums are being drifted towards the coast of Goa.
The newly appointed SGPDA chairman Movin Gudino has assured to improve the sad state of affairs of retail as well as wholesale fish market. He inspected the markets on Monday. The fish vendors are annoyed with the dilapidated state of the fish market. They have also demanded that wholesalers should not enter retail markets for business.
सर्विस दी आहे देखून हारीकर बाम रेडी आहे टँकर जायना एसपीडी केला एसपीडी एक सेपरेट ऑफिस दवरपा जाय हे कामा मार्केट क्लिनिंग करपा टँकर हो गेली मिक्सिंग करताय आनी एकला सोदू गेला एकला आसना चेअरमॅना सोदू गेले मेंबर सेक्रेटरी आसना आमी कोणा सोदपाची बाजारा लोक हे सकल बसताय सगळ्या त्रास जाता चल म्हणून मोबाईल गेलो ते लायट कितें फक्त येयला आता नी सारखं करतलो
दिसा नाव सांगता दिव ना ते म्हाका वलचेला लोक तर काडटा नी हालावर बसताय कारण आता वयल लोक तो तेण काढला नी श्रीचा अंबादरा सकल बसताली काढना जाल्या कळ तुका दादा काडटलो मुगे पासला तुगे 10 लाख वलचेला काढतले ती
काची सोय हांव ताबडतोब तेंची करता नोड चालू करून बरे फिल्टर्ड वॉटर तांकां मेळपाक ती एक सोय करता ते हांव इमिडिएट तांकां करून दिता पळय डिफिकल्टी खूब आसा एक म्हणल्यार तो चोवपाक असो स्टाफ ना होलसेलूय आसून दी आनी रिटेलूय आसून दी आमी हे भाशेन इश्यू सॉल्व करपाक केला एक म्हणल्यार जें करपा जाय तें करपाचें म्हणजे कितें थिंगा आमी वॉल कंस्ट्रक्ट करून भितर कांयचे काय कोणूय भितर सरता ते भितर सरपाचें जावपा ना आमी ताबडतोब ऑर्डर दिता ते बेगीन टेंडर तो एक्सेप्ट करून वॉल बांदपाचें नंबर 2 एक सोमना भितर 2 सोमना भितर टारिंग कर म्हूण सांगला हिंगान थिंगा जे सगळे उदक घाण मेड्या आहा मॉस्किटो ब्रीड जाता एक विका भितर हे टारिंग कर म्हूण सांगला.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.